everyone, it's Mary Kay here. Today I'm going to show you this charming Tunisian blossom stitch. Let's jump right in. You need a multiple of 10 plus 5 plus 2 stitches. I'm going to chain 27. I'll be using the top loop method for the foundation row. So pick up a loop from every stitch until you get to the end of the row. The return pass will be a normal one, yarn over, pull through 1, then yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back until you just have 1 loop left on your hook. Before starting the actual pattern, we'll do 1 row of simple stitches. At the end of the forward pass, be sure you insert your hook into the edge stitches, pull through a loop, then yarn over, pull through 1, yarn over, pull through 2, all the way back for a normal return pass. For the first pattern row, count over 3 stitches and down 2, then insert your hook and pull up a loop from the back of your work. Then locate the next simple stitch, which can be a little hard to find. Insert your hook, yarn over and pull through both loops. That's the first stitch in a set of 5 stitches. Then pull up a loop for the next 3 stitches. For the next stitch, insert your hook back into the same space, pull up a loop from the back, then pick up the next stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops. That finishes the first set of 5 stitches. The next set of 5 stitches will be simple stitches. Pick up 5. For the next 5 stitches, we'll do the same thing that we did at the beginning. Count over 3 rows and 2 columns. Insert your hook into that space, pull up a loop, then find the next simple stitch, insert your hook, pull up a loop, and pull through both those loops. Then 3 simple stitches. Insert your hook into the same space, pull up a loop from the back, insert your hook in the next simple stitch, yarn over and pull through both loops. 5 more simple stitches. Repeat the pattern until you get to the end of the row. Then do a normal return pass. On this row, we'll add the puff stitches. Count over 3 stitches again and down 2. Note this as the location for the puff stitch. Yarn over and insert your hook into that space. Yarn over and pull through a loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same space, pull up a loop, then do that 1 more time. You'll have 7 loops accumulated on your hook from the puff stitch. Yarn over and pull through all of them. Then yarn over and pull through 1 to complete the puff stitch. Pick up the next 2 simple stitches. That finishes the 5 stitch set. The next 5 stitches will be simple stitches. Then we'll repeat the first pattern again for the next 5. Pick up 2 simple stitches. Count down 2 rows. Then mark the location where your next puff stitch will be. Yarn over, insert your hook into that space, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook in the same space, pull up a loop, then do that 1 more time. With 7 loops on your hook from the puff stitch, yarn over and pull through all of them, then yarn over and pull through 1 to finish the stitch. Pick up the next 2 simple stitches, and that finishes that set of 5. The next 5 will be simple stitches. Repeat that pattern to the end of the row, then complete a normal return pass. The next row will be a row of simple stitches. After the row of simple stitches, we're ready to complete the second row of the pattern. The stitches are the same. The only difference is that the sections are offset, so the first 5 stitches will be simple stitches. The next 5 stitches will be blossom stitches. Count over 3 and down 2 again. Insert your hook and pull up a loop from the back. Then pick up the next simple stitch, yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Then 3 simple stitches. Insert your hook in the same space where we did the previous spike stitch. Pull up a loop, pick up the next simple stitch, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Complete that pattern to the end of the row and complete a normal return pass. The next row will repeat the puff stitches. So start with 5 simple stitches. Then 2 simple stitches to start the next set, then a puff stitch. Two more simple stitches to complete that set, then repeat the pattern to the end of the row and continue the same pattern until you get the length that you want. These little blossoms are so adorable. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe, share, and comment, and have a happy crochet day.